Anyway, I think I met him in the sky. When I was a geisha, he was a samurai.
Welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a installment on myself. We're putting on a wig. This wig is from Kiss Love off of AliExpress. It comes with a wig cap, headband, as well as the edge brush and a pair of lashes. So what I did was I bleached this wig. As you guys can see in the video, the only con about this wig is the fact that the lace is not that good. I don't like the way that lace looks on the wig, but other than that, it's a really good quality wig. It is full human hair. It did come pre-plucked. Also, it does have some shedding, but not a lot. It's like minimal shedding, but overall the hair is good quality, full human hair, non-synthetic blend. I've been a customer with them for like 6 years, and they never let down on the good quality hair. The only thing that I could say that needs improvement, in my honest opinion, is their lace, because sometimes they say, oh, the lace is like HD, it's a full HD lace, but in reality it's not an HD lace, because the lace be looking like brown grayish kind of looking, like as you guys saw in the beginning of the video. But other than that, it's really good quality hair. It is manageable for the lace to be melted. You can melt the lace, because at the end of the video I will show you guys the final look and, you know, add my opinions to it. But other than that, the hair is really good. The lace, you can work with it. It's very, like, it's blendable. You can work with it. It's not that hard. But yeah, other than that, it's really good quality hair. I love their wigs. They do have other options. They have bundles. They also have like colored wigs as well. It is from AliExpress. They don't take long. I think their shipping is free. I didn't pay like that much shipping costs. I know you do have to pay taxes. The wig was $233 is what I paid for. Usually they were like on sale, but I didn't catch their sale. They do have bundles on their websites and everything, but overall they do have really good products. I love their wigs. Their hair feels really, really nice. But other than that, it's really good hair. Like I said, the only thing that I don't like about the wigs is the quality of the lace and the shedding. It does shed a little bit, but not a lot of shedding as if it was like a blonde wig or something like that. But other than that, it's really good hair. The hair is nice. It feels great in my hands. It's very thick. Like it flat irons really well, like bone straight. But yeah, that is it, and I'll let you guys enjoy the rest of the video.
Put it humble. Don't be acting like the kind
need a healer. But mommy, I'm cold, give me my blankie. Flyer than the cake, I get higher than my prince. The Snow White, came out of humble. Your cookies up, put it humble. Hope you acting like the Cardinals and I'm done. Cause I'm a stealer, pushing up the dealer. Pull the toe, the boys gon' feel it. Flow so sick, I need a healer. But mommy, I'm cold, give me my blankie. Flyer than the cake, I get higher than my prince. The Snow White, came out of humble. Your cookies up, put it humble. Hope you acting like the Cardinals and I'm done. Cause I'm a stealer, pushing up the dealer. Pull the toe, the boys gon' feel it. Flow so sick, I need a healer. But mommy, I'm cold, give me my blankie. Flyer than the cake, I get higher than my prince. The Snow White, came out of humble. Your cookies up, put it humble. Hope you acting like the Cardinals and I'm done. Cause I'm a stealer, pushing up the dealer. Pull the toe, the boys gon' feel it. Flow so sick, I need a healer. But mommy, I'm cold, give me my blankie. Flyer than the cake, I get higher than my prince. The Snow White, came out of humble. Your cookies up, put it humble. Hope you acting like the Cardinals and I'm done. Cause I'm a stealer, pushing up the dealer. Pull the toe, the boys gon' feel it. Flow so sick, I need a healer. But mommy, I'm cold, give me my blankie. Flyer than the cake, I get higher than my prince. The Snow White, came out of humble. Your cookies up, put it humble. Hope you acting like the Cardinals and I'm done. Cause I'm a stealer, pushing up the dealer. Pull the toe, the boys gon' feel it. Flow so sick, I need a healer. But mommy, I'm cold, give me my blankie. Flyer than the cake, I get higher than my prince. The Snow White, came out of humble. Your cookies up, put it humble. Hope you acting like the Cardinals
wig. I end up doing a side part instead. But yeah, I went ahead and changed it. I fixed up the lace a little bit, but this here is the final look. This wig is really good quality. I've been a customer with them for like 6 years. This is the only wig company I've ever gotten my wigs from. I've been going to them. I was like in high school when I started buying their wigs. So here is my honest review about them. As a longtime customer. Now, this is really good quality hair. Don't get me wrong. But the only thing I don't like about the wigs is the lace. That's the only issue. It's a little bit like it's not that thin, but it's not that thick. It's like a little, it has some, like, I don't know, girth to it. Like, it's a little thick. They do have HD lace. I'm not sure if this is
the snow white
full lace. It does have minimal shedding. It does shed a little bit, but not that much shedding. It's like a little bit of shedding, so you don't have nothing to worry about on that. But as far as like the lace part, that's the only thing I don't like. It's like it is like blendable. You can melt it, but like it does take some, well, not some time, but like it's like, to me, because I'm a first time person like ever putting on a full like lace wig on my own, I usually like go to people to put a wig on. So it was kind of hard for me to like melt it, but it is meltable, as you can see here. But other than that, this is a really good hair, really good quality wig. I have another wig from them, but like I kind of messed it up when I cut it. But this is full human hair. This is a 13x6. This is 34 inches, and the density is 250. Yeah, the hair is really thick, because I had to like flat iron it piece by piece for it to get it like bone straight, because of how thick this hair is. But yeah, this is really good quality, really good. This wig is from Kiss Love on AliExpress. How much this was about $233. They did have a sale, but I did miss it. But other than that, this is really good quality hair. As far as shipping and stuff, not that much. I think this was free shipping. I just had to pay for taxes. But yeah, and the hair comes quick. It was like, I had brought this like, I want to say a week ago, and I got it literally this week. So yeah, really good quality, comes super fast, good quality hair, human hair, no synthetic blend. Minimal shedding. The only thing that I don't like is the lace part. I don't know if in the beginning of the video you guys probably saw what the lace was looking like, and that is what the lace looks like. Unfortunately, they could work on it. I think they do have HD lace now, because before they didn't, now they do. And they also went up on their inches. Their highest inches, I think, is 40 inches now. But yeah, this was a 34-inch wig. Really good quality hair, very nice, washes well. I know that when you wash your wig and stuff like that and you revive it back, it goes back to its original state when you first got it. So yeah, that's also a plus. But other than that, this is really good quality hair, very nice, very thick. And yeah, this is it. And by the way, it is from Kiss Love on AliExpress. I will be buying more of their products. I will be buying more of their wigs. The next wig I'm getting is most likely a 613 wig, and I'll do a review on that to see how good it is, on like the quality and everything else about the wig. But yes, this here is really good. I'll put the link in the bio of this specific wig that I have here. But other than that, this is really nice, really pretty hair. And I hope you guys, I'll see you guys next video.
Bitch, I'm geek.